Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Okay, this is going to be a fun short video. By the way, I am wearing my Ellen Villa movie star in saffron red rooted. I love this color. It's so vibrant. It's so fun. This wig is, I just really like this wig. I have it in several different colors and I believe there's a full review on my channel. I'll link it below. Okay, today, if you have not been to the wigstudio1.com clearance section on their website, you are missing out. There are so many wonderful buys there. That site is updated almost daily. And they have some wonderful buys there. I'm going to show you some wigs I have gotten from clearance. I have not opened these boxes. I opened the big box they all came in, and I am going to open them for you today and try them on, and then I'm going to do full reviews later on. These are not wig reviews. These are just a quick look at some of the wigs I have gotten on clearance. Now, again, be sure to check that clearance section. At certain times of the month, they will even run an additional 20% off clearance. So be sure to always check for that. Check Instagram, the Wig Studio 1 Instagram. They will always advertise that there when they're going to have an additional savings on clearance. But just their regular everyday savings on clearance is amazing. So of course, all the wigs you're going to see are from wigstudio1.com. Be sure to check out that clearance section. Okay, let's get started and look at some of these fun styles. Okay guys, first up, Raquel Welch. Work It, and the color is SS Champagne. Now, like I said, I'm not going through all this on these wigs. I am just going to show them to you, tell you about them a little bit, try them on, and move on to the next. All right, SS Champagne, pretty color. This is a longer style. This is pretty. This has a mono top and a lace front. Let's throw it on, give it a good shake. Okay, the fit's a little large on me. Can tell right off. Oh, wow, yeah. I like these longer styles. I've gotten where I wear these a lot just for fun. I still love my pixies, don't get me wrong. I still love my pixie styles, but I guess that's what I love about wigs, is I can change my look every day. Several times a day if I want to. And I think that is the beauty of wig wearing. Okay, this is sleek. Of course, mono top, so it's just no permatease. Yeah, this would be long enough to put in a ponytail. Oh, I like this one. All right, next up, Noriko Carrie, and the color is Maple Sugar R. I've had this color before. I like it. It's pretty. I had it in a short wig, and I think it was years ago. It's been quite a long time. They always package these with this packaging that tries to hold the style. I usually get rid of that. Look at this color. Oh wow, this is wavy. This is a basic cap. There's no lace front or anything, but that is pretty. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it's really tight. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and this is very, very snug. But wow, now permatease, yes, this is a lot of hair. I would have to train the front of this to go off of my face just a little. And you can see I'm just taking it out of the box, throwing it on. This is pretty. If you're looking for something with a lot of waves, you might give this one a try. Okay, this one's going to be interesting. This is the Orchid Collection, Renee Paris Attitude, and the color is Burnt Chili. I have seen this on a lot of people, and I'm frankly a little scared. But, I mean, I just wanted to try it, and I got it at a, like I said, such a wonderful deal that I thought, well, I might as well give it a try. But this color is definitely Dynamic burnt chili. Wow. Wow, wow. Okay, this has a lace front. Look at these curls. I think this is not going to work for me, this color, but we're going to try it on. Why not, right? Yeah, this is super dark. Wowee! This is a lot of wave. I have seen this wig on so many people. This is probably not for me. I will agree to that this is probably not my style, but I have seen it on so many people that it is so cute on. So, I mean, I wanted to see what it looked like, and here it is. You're looking for a wig with lots of curls? This is your girl. All right, let's look at Belle Tress, Amaretto, and Butterbeer Blonde. One of my favorite Belle Tress colors. I just think it's such a beautiful color. And this was a score. I mean, to get this on clearance, sometimes I just go over there, have a look at the clearance section, and I'm so surprised at what is on there. You just have to grab it up. This, of course, has a lace front and a mono part. Fits me a little bit large. I have to use the adjusters, yes. Now, you know, this style has been around a long time, and but it's new to me. So I have wanted to try it, and I saw it there, so I grabbed it up, and I'm glad I did. I love these beachy waves. I will definitely be doing a full review on this one. Okay, here is Gabor Spirit, and the color is brown gray. I don't think I've ever seen this color or this style, so we'll be looking at this together. Short. Yeah, when I saw this on the clearance, I thought, okay, I've never seen this one, I don't think. Keep in mind, I have reviewed a lot of wigs, so I can't always remember every one I've ever seen. This is a basic cap, so I know there's going to be some permatease here. And it's just a short, spiky style. And the color, like I said, is brown gray. I'll probably do a review on this because I don't think I've ever reviewed this color. Fits really large. Let's see. Let's have a little water. Let me spray it. You know, when I first put a wig on, you've seen me do it a million times, I like to really spray it. I want to see, how can I separate these fibers? What can I do with them? Yeah. You know, this doesn't have a huge amount of permatease as I thought it was going to. There is permatease, yes. But it's not like, oh wow, a big massive amount of permatease here. This is cute. I could definitely work with this, and I would probably run some sea salt spray through here, some peace out cream or something to really work on these fibers, separate them. Yeah, this is just a cute short style. Okay, here is Henry Margaux Avery 10613 GR. Definitely my favorite Henry Margaux color. Lace front and mono part. Very sleek. Yeah, look how pretty this is. Oh yes, I can tell already I'm going to love this. I believe I've had Avery. Pretty sure I have. Fits a little large. Okay, this is the center part. Maybe I haven't. I don't know if I've tried this one before or not, but I'm going to have to go back and look. Sleek. Oh, wow. Low density here. I like the, I kind of like these ends that are not so fixed, like they're very shattery, they're blunt, but yet they're textured. I don't know, I like this. I think it's very trendy, not too trendy, but you know, up to date, up to just really what you see a lot of. I'm definitely going to do a review of this one too. Okay, here's another Gabor. Everyday Elegant in Rusty Auburn. Love Rusty Auburn. Okay. See if I can get it out. This one has a lace front and a mono part. Short. Oh, this color is just so pretty. I think Gabor does their Rusty Auburn so pretty. I have Premium Luxury and a couple more. This is a little large on me. Okay, wavy. Low density here. Not a lot of permatease going on. Little bit here, but not a huge amount, no. I just really enjoy this color. I think it's so vibrant, so pretty. This is nice. This has a little more length on the front. I like that. You have more styling options with this. Like I said, it has a lace front, so you can definitely wear this off your face. Yeah, I don't think I've ever tried this one, so I'm glad to have a look at it. Okay, I like this one. Okay, the last one I have is another Amaretto, and this color though, Tres Leches Blonde. I have not tried this color. I have seen it on so many people, and I have thought it was so pretty. It is so pretty. Wow. I think I will do a video comparing this to the Butterbeer Blonde, because they look very similar to me just by the look of just by my eye. So I'm going to see how they look. I like this style. I really like this style, and yes, this color is pretty. Let me open my Butterbeer Blonde and we'll just hold them up. Same wig and Butterbeer Blonde. See how they are the same and different. Definitely Butterbeer Blonde has a darker root. Yeah, you can see the difference here. More blonde here. This is more, this definitely has more gold. I just want to show you this rooting on both of them. This is blended more with different shades. This feels more all over color. Still some different shades of blonde, but not like this. But wow, what a beautiful style. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. This was so much fun. I hope you liked these little wig haul videos. Please leave me lots of comments below. Tell me which one of these you've tried or which one you want to try. What colors do you like? And we will continue doing these as I collect more of these fun styles. Thanks again. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.